What is up, guys? Skiddy fishing here, and today I'm actually on my way down to a creek in central Utah. My uncle just caught a fish behind me. I'm going to a creek in central Utah for some Bonneville cutthroat for my Western Native Trout Challenge, but decided to make a separate video because we kind of stopped by a lake. We were wondering if it was iced off, and as you can see, it is. So we're gonna hit this up here for a little bit. I don't know how long I'm gonna be here for, but perhaps if you see this, it was worthy of making a video. So this video will be Western fly fishing. There are cutthroat, rainbows, tiger trout, and splake, to my knowledge, in this reservoir. And the wind's picking up, so is the fishing. But it is a beautiful day here in central Utah, my friends. So with that being said, let's see what we can catch. All right, first fish down, guys. I was casting here for a minute. I had a big streamer on. First cast on this new streamer. Oh, Scott just got one now too. There we go. This might be a good day. Oh, I'm foul hooked. You said cutthroat? I should have got my long net out today, guys. There we go. It's either a splake or a brook trout. There we go. I'm sorry, buddy. All right, now we got to figure out if this is a splake or a brook trout. Let's see. Yeah, it's a. Yeah, mine's a splake. All right, guys. Well, first splake of 2025. That's cool. Let's try not to foul hook one now. Got one. Oh, that was sick. He came up for my streamer. It's a tiger.
Right by shore.
I felt a bump. I thought I was in the weeds. As the fly was coming out of the water, he took it. I got that on camera. That was sick. Heck yeah, dude. Yeah, it's a decent tiger. It's probably 13, 14. Yes, dude. Ugh. Got him. That was freaking dope. This poor guy's been caught a few times before, though. All right. And there you go. Sweet. All right, well, that's two. Kind of like that spot. Let's go back to that. Definitely had the wrong net for today. Any luck? Nice, on your streamer?
Yeah, he hit it right when I pulled it at the top of the...
Yeah, that happened on my last fish. That doesn't look like a rainbow from here. Nice. Got one. Another splake. Yeah. Yep.
That's what I thought mine was.
Oh, come on. Yeah, this one's definitely... Oh, it's a splake. Sweet. What was that? About maybe 5 or 6 yards out. All right, guys. Well, 'tis another splake. Got one. Sight fished him. I wasn't sure if that was a bump or not.
Huh?
I wasn't sure if that was a bump or not. And then I saw the flash. That was on your white. I had a feeling. That's a splake again. All right, with your hands. All right, there we go. That's a pretty one right there. This one's got a little bit more orange to him. I know, buddy. I know. There we go. It's a splake. Yep. Well, splake. I think this GoPro battery is dying because it just turned off mid sentence here, and then I just caught one, so. This dude over here getting all wrangly on me. There we go. Yep. Definitely a splake. You can tell, guys, because of the fork tail. Get a picture of this guy here. But yeah, a little splakey. There he goes. You probably can't hear me, and I think we're just about done. So maybe scratch the 2 fish. Short video today, but this wasn't really our main area of focus anyway, so I'm not worried about it. Kind of just working my way back to the car right now. Oh, my uncle just caught a fish though. I don't want to lose this one. Yeah, this would be a fun fight. This is a good one, dude. Oh, yeah, dude. Oh, Kelly, this is probably PB from here, bro. Guys, look at this. Nice. Oh. Wow. All right, I'm gonna keep them in the water here for a minute. All right, let's put this guy back in the water. Beautiful fish.